Today we are doing a custom made set for a client of ours, Poppy. Now she has been a client for some time now purchasing our press on tips, but she wanted something a little bit more special. Now personalized sets are a really unique add-on to your service that can really just give you a point of difference from your competition. So for Poppy, she loves crystals, pink, and obviously flowers. I mean, her name's Poppy, how cute. So we decided to do some little 3D pink flowers on her nails with some crystals, embellish one of the feature fingernails with some crystals as well. And we've also decided to put some calligraphy on one of her nails and write her name Poppy. Poppy is fun, she's bubbly, and I really wanted to create a set that's tailored to her. And these are all the things that reminded me of Poppy. So stay tuned, I will show you how to create a personalized set of nails for your clients. So first we are making little 3D flowers. So for this particular set I'm using the Valentino Beauty Pure Pink Acrylic and just making little flower blossoms and petals with my brush. Now I like to add a little bit of detail in here and actually put in a little Swarovski crystal in the center of each one just to tie in the crystal feature finger. I really think it helps to somehow tie, if you're using a certain color, to be able to tie that or an embellishment into the other fingers as well. So for one of the feature nails we use Swarovski crystals. I like to use a combination of the genuine Swarovskis in different fancy shapes with a crystal glue and also a little crystal pickup pen. So you just have like a little wax coating on the edge of them, makes it super easy to pick up your little crystals, and then you can flip it around and move your crystals around without getting gel in it with your little crystal mover. So if you don't have one of these tools, make sure you get one. They are worth their weight in gold. Okay, I also like to use quite often the Swarovski crystals. They're called crystal pixies, and they are just like little crushed Swarovski crystals. They're so cute. They are just, I feel like sometimes they're even more beautiful than the crystals themselves, like you know, in a whole form. But as you can see, I just start to get them and sprinkle them all over the nail, and that really just creates another effect for Poppy because she wants a few bits of bling. For the last step, I like to just get a little fine detail brush and some gel polish, and I just have put Poppy's name on one of the fingernails in teeny tiny writing. You can do whatever cursive fonts that you like. We'll do some more tutorials on how to do this, but this is the end effect. And here is the final result. Here is a custom set for Poppy. It's a really nice way to kind of personalize your service for your clients. Hope you enjoy, and here's what Poppy had to say.
But yeah, she just did like my name on them. It's like all personalized. They look absolutely incredible. Like I've literally never been so happy with an experience in my entire life. So I'm obviously going back. I'm literally never going anywhere else. It is worth the 45-minute drive from my house. Yeah, I'll definitely be going back. But yeah, I literally cannot recommend Kitten Claws Parlor enough. Such a good first experience. So yeah, really happy with my first ever set from them. Really happy with my lashes. Really happy with my brows. I look like myself again. Yeah, so overall 11 out of 10 experience.